Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. So today I decided to finally do the what I eat in a day. This is actually like my third time filming this video just because it just wasn't coming out perfect, and I'm sure this video won't be perfect, but right now during, coronavirus season, I wanted to get out as much content as possible. So I figured I would just start posting all the videos that you guys have been asking for. So yeah, I just wanted to say, yes, this is what I eat sometimes on some days to lose weight. I am not a dietitian. I am not telling you that you need to eat this to lose weight. I have lost 20 pounds over the span of a long time, and this is some of the things that I eat. I don't know what to tell you if you think I'm overeating, undereating. All I can tell you is that I am perfectly healthy. I am not starving myself. I'm not, hungry all the time. And this is just what works for me. So I really hope that you guys enjoy. I'm gonna send you guys back to this morning when I showed you guys my breakfast. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to become a part of my squad. Let's get started.
Good morning, guys. It is 8 a.m. and I wanted to do my what I eat in a day. So right now, I'm gonna have some breakfast. I'm such a breakfast person. I don't understand how people skip breakfast. I wake up starving. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I eat for breakfast. It's nothing special, but it fills me up and I like it. So I hope you like it. So here they are. Obviously they don't look super appetizing, but I do like to cut them in fours because anything that will make me eat slower, I will do that. I already put pepper, and then I also like putting some crushed red peppers because I like to make it a little bit spicy. So this is what I'll have. And then also today I'm having a little cutie. I really like eating eggs in the morning, but I've noticed that when I do them hard boiled, I get really, really full. So that's kind of why I like doing that. And then also every morning I do take a 1 a day vitamin. This is the women's gummies. It's for bone health, heart health, immune health, skin health, healthy muscle function, and energy metabolism. Both Wyatt and I both take a women's and men's daily vitamins. And then for coffee, right now I'm French pressing it, but if you're wondering, I do use this coffee. It's a Folgers Gourmet, and I like medium dark because I like a darker coffee. And then I don't use any creamers or anything like that, but I do love sweetener. I know it's a Splenda, but it's actually stevia Splenda. And then also water. This is one of many bottles that I'll be drinking today. I try to have at least 3 to 4, which is a gallon. And I just started off every morning. And then today I am having a cutie because it is coronavirus season. So I'm just trying to have as much like vitamin C as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy my breakfast. Usually this would be the breakfast I would have right before my workout, but obviously the gyms are closed right now. So I think I'm actually gonna film a video first and then work out. So I'll probably see you guys again whenever I have a snack. Well, hello guys, I am finally glowed up a little bit. A lot better than what I looked like in the morning, but it is currently 1 p.m. So I wanted to say I already drank one of these, so now I'm gonna fill it up and drink it before dinner time. And for my snack, I'm not having lunch yet. I prefer to push it a little bit further because I do have really early dinners. So I prefer to be a little bit more full. But for my snack, I'm gonna be having a pepper and with a really delicious dipping that's very healthy. So I'm quickly gonna go wash this and slice it, and then I will show you guys what dipping I like. Okay, so here it is all cut up. I like to do little pieces so that it lasts longer. And guys, this is my new obsession. It's called the Hope Cashew and Almond Dip Avocado Ranch. This is dairy-free, non-GMO, and it's actually pretty healthy. It's delicious. Again, it's a cashew dip, but it tastes like avocado ranch, and it's just so good, especially on veggies. You could also obviously put it on bread, but if you are trying to be more carb friendly, then just put it on some veggies. So I'm gonna eat this as my snack, and again, I'm gonna go fill this up, and there's my mess. Hey guys, so I just finished my workout not too long ago, and sometimes I either have a protein bar right after, or if it's more for a lunch, which is what I'm gonna do today, I make a protein shake smoothie. So instead of just a protein shake or just a protein bar, I do add some stuff to make it a little bit heavier and more filling.
Okay guys, so these are gonna be the ingredients. This is my favorite protein at the moment, is Ghost Whey Protein. Right now I'm using the flavor peanut butter cereal milk. I mean, come on, doesn't that just sound amazing? I really like it because it's like lower in carbs and sugar and it tastes amazing. I am a coconut milk drinker. If you wanna be healthier, then try to get unsweetened. Here's some spinach and then a nice banana, and I get this peanut butter. I've always gotten this kind. It's just like probably the healthier option that I can find. It's a lot lower in sugar as well as that like your Jiffy. So I'm gonna use this little blender. First I am gonna get some ice. I get about this much. I like to make sure it's cold, but I don't like it super chunky. I prefer a little bit more lighter. So now I am going to put some coconut milk. I kind of just eyeball it. Maybe like that much. I like it pretty liquidy, so that's why I'm putting that much. You know, you can use whatever milk you like. And now I'm gonna put in my protein. So I'm using almost a full scoop, just like a little bit under, just because, you know, I don't need too much protein. I didn't do legs today or anything like that, but there's a protein. Now let's get some spinach. I want you guys to remember that you cannot taste the spinach, so this is a great way to get your greens in without even having to like greens. So I'm just gonna like put about 2 handfuls in there. Put more if you want or less if you want. So here we go. This is about how much I put. It's about a teaspoon or a tablespoon. I mean, I really just, like I said, I eyeball it, but I'm doing it with a knife because it's a lot easier. All right, and the banana is in. So this is what the smoothie looks like. So now let's make it smooth. I'm showing you guys a close-up because peanut butter will get stuck to it, but I'm showing you guys that I keep blending until the spinach gets really, really small, so that way you're not like, you know, literally just drinking spinach, but that is it. So I know that this might look disgusting to some people, but if you like banana and peanut butter, that's literally what it tastes like. You cannot taste the spinach at all, and it's honestly so delicious and super filling and really nice and healthy. Hey guys, I still look crazy. I ended up just waiting for Wyatt to get home from work so we could go for a run. So that's why I look like a tomato face, but I am starving. So I'm gonna start making my dinner. I am eating later than usual. I'm starting to cook at 6 instead of 5. I don't mind eating later as long as it's because I'm working out later, but it's not that I'm like intermittent fasting to the T, but I just try to have an early dinner as possible. So I'm making chicken salsa. So it's very easy. I'm making chicken salsa with black beans and quinoa. It's super easy, it's really filling, and it's delicious. So I actually already had to make the chicken salsa because I'm using the crock pot. You can easily do it in your Instant Pot for like 10 minutes, but it just tastes better in the crock pot. So I'm actually gonna show you guys how I made it a couple hours ago, and then I'm gonna show you guys the end result. So here I have my crock pot. I just turned it on. So here I have some thawed out chicken breast tenders. I usually like to do it with sliced chicken breast, but coronavirus, there was none at the grocery store, but I just got these, which is fine. I am using some chicken taco seasoning. It's already open because I don't use all of it. I only use like either half or a quarter because we are trying to keep this healthy. So first I'm gonna just sprinkle that on top. Like I said, you don't need like too much because we are gonna cook it with the salsa anyways. So that's about it. I mean, I still have another quarter left, so that's all we're doing. Then I'm gonna use some coconut oil just to spray the bottom of the crock pot. So for salsa, I'm gonna be using this one from Goya. It's salsa verde. It's like a medium heat. And I'm first gonna put some in the crock pot, then we're gonna put the chicken, then more salsa. Okay, that's all I'm putting. I just really wanna like cover the inside. And then you just plop these in here. Okay. And now that you have that in, I'm just gonna spread the seasoning a little bit more. And then we're just gonna top it off with some more salsa. So remember, salsa is the only thing that it's gonna cook with, so I am putting a good amount. So I just used 3/4 of this bottle. And that is it. It's super simple. All you do is put the lid and you just wait and you're gonna get some shredded chicken.
All right, guys, so as you guys can see, I do have the Instant Pot, but it just tastes so much better like this. So here's the chicken. As you guys can see, it literally cooked and it's already like pretty much shredded and delicious and awesome just with salsa. So it's really, really good. So first, I wanted to show you guys right here. I already have some beans in my pot. These are just canned beans. I just try to get black beans with a small amount of sodium. And then I'm also gonna make some quinoa. Now, as you guys can see, it is double carbs, but that's because I like to mix my carbs. So I'm gonna have like a small portion of this mixed with a small portion of this. So this is a quinoa that I get. It's gluten-free, white quinoa. And I like making it with chicken stock or broth, and I do like to get the one that's reduced sodium. It is a lot healthier to make it with water, but it tastes so much better with chicken broth, so I just do that. So I have 1 cup of chicken broth because I'm gonna save the other half for tomorrow when I'm gonna make chicken in my Instapot. And then I have 1/2 cup of quinoa. This will actually feed me and Wyatt tonight and leave me some for lunch tomorrow. So like I said, it's not that I'm eating that many carbs, it's just that I like mixing them. So let's turn this up. And that's it. Just with the chicken broth, it already gets delicious taste. But just a tip, if you want to make it even yummier, sometimes I like to put in lime juice and cilantro, and that's kind of the rice that you get from like Chipotle. So I'll show you guys when it's done. I like to make bowls. I'm obsessed with Chipotle, so I just like to make kind of like my own version of my bowl, and I will put some avocado. I'm gonna finish this. This is my 3rd one, or 2nd or 3rd. It's my 2nd. I'm kind of slow on my water today, but I'm gonna finish this, refill it, and just try to get at least 1 more in before the end of the day. Guys, when it comes to losing weight, you have got to drink your water, and like making it a point to drink your water is more than just saying, oh, I'm gonna drink water. Like, you have to kind of give yourself like a schedule. So like I said, my goal is 3 to 4 a day. So if I haven't drinking my first one before like 11 a.m., that's when I start chugging. So that's kind of how I do that. But I'll check back with you guys in a little bit once the food's done, and I'll show you guys how I make my bowl. Okay, so first we have the quinoa. I kind of just spread it around to make an even layer. Now we have some black beans. Now the chicken. So look, this is literally falling apart. You can barely even get it on your fork. Okay, so I added like 2 chicken strips worth. Here's my bowl with some avocado. I'm gonna go eat this, and then I do like to have a little dessert. I'm one of those people that have to have something sweet. So I've been really loving these. These are Atkins peanut butter cups. They are 0 sugar. 2 net carbs and 4 grams fiber. I don't really count my calories. I really just mainly look at carbs, and actually the main thing I look at is sugar. But I will say, there is sugar alcohol, which is not the best for you, but it is better than sugar if you're trying to like watch your weight. So just remember, just because it's sugar-free doesn't mean that you should be eating it all the time. I do just eat 1 for dessert, and that's all I need. Hey guys, so I'm currently editing this video, and I realized that I didn't make an outro, which is kind of funny because I'm actually wearing the same outfit, but this is a couple days later. But anyways, that is what I eat in a day. I actually don't eat past that time. Like I said, I'm not necessarily like intermittent fasting, but I try to have my dinner and the last thing that I have to eat by 5:30 to 6:30, and try not to eat after that. So yeah, let me know if you guys want another one of these. I can keep making them. I obviously don't eat the same thing every day, and I do have little healthy recipes to show you guys. Hope you guys are staying safe and sane and sanitized and with good spirits, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.